Hi, I'm Ranveer Brar, a chef from India. I've been cooking 26 years and I am happy cook who's traveled the world and has come back to India with the belief that Indian food is the food of the future. Well, for this week in Tuscany, I'm most excited about making friends with Tuscan ingredients, making friends with Tuscan wines, making friends with Tuscan chefs, and making friends with the amazing company that I'm going to have all this week. And when I hear the recipe is simple, for me, it just goes to say that the recipe is going to stay in your heart forever. So much passion for food has never been packed into one place. And if food is your thing, if food is what drives you, which I'm sure it is sitting anywhere in the world, you gotta watch this.